If your Trane air conditioner isn't cooling properly, won't turn on, or seems to be acting unpredictably, a reset can often bring it back to normal. Modern AC systems rely on internal controls and sensors, and sometimes a temporary glitch or power issue can cause the system to stop responding correctly. This can make it feel like something serious is wrong, even when it's just a minor reset issue. The tricky part is that there isn't always a clearly labeled reset button on every unit, so many people aren't sure where to start. The great thing is that resetting a train AC is usually simple once you follow the correct method, and it can quickly restore normal operation without needing a technician. Try these. Step 1. Turn off your train air conditioner using the thermostat. Step 2. Switch off the circuit breaker that powers the AC unit. Step 3. Wait for about 5 minutes to allow the system to fully reset. Step 4. Turn the circuit breaker back on. Step 5. Set your thermostat back to cooling mode and desired temperature. Step 6. Wait a few minutes and check if the AC starts working normally.